it was nicknamed the President because of everyone that ended up wearing it afterwards. Churchill, Lyndon B. Johnson, Dick Cheney, President Trump, Warren Buffett, and Tony Soprano. But the most important and interesting story was JFK. JFK was given one by Marilyn Monroe, and on the back it was inscribed, "Jack, with love as always, Marilyn, May 29th, 1962. And it's reported, it was for his birthday, it's reported that JFK gave it to his aide to get rid of, and he apparently did not get rid of it because it ends up in the hands of someone else. And in 2005, it was sold at auction for $120,000, which is a pretty cool story. Right now, the original Rolex day date goes for about 10 to 11,000 for a 36 millimeter on, say, several of the pre-owned watch selling websites. But then the 40 millimeter version that came out in 2015 is pre-owned is about 28 to right under $40,000. So when you can't buy a sweet Rolex day date, what do? You buy the Orient. And by the way, first watch check, I'm wearing my trusty Seamaster Professional from the GoldenEye era from the mid-90s. So anyways, the true to size Orient day date. Let me take some of this silly plastic off for you guys so we can see it better. Double deployment clasp. Here's the reference for you guys. SEV0J001WY. And so let's get right into the dimensions. So, like I said, true to size to the Rolex President means it's a 36 millimeter case. Which is true. I think people say it's a 39.5 from the crown. That looks like a 39, a little less than 39.5 to me. And then it is a 20 millimeter bracelet band size. And then we do have a, let's see what we have for a lug to lug. 44.1 on the lug to lug. Let's try that again. Yep, 44.1. And I think it's about a 10 or 11 millimeter thickness. Say 11.4. And for those of you that don't know, the Orient is owned by the Seiko Epson company. And this one has a caliber EV, which is an automatic with no hand winding, but it does have a screw down crown. This is the second version of the Orient that I know of, the day date. The second version got a sapphire crystal, which they put right on the dial there, and 100 meters water resistance. The first one had very little water resistance. It's non-hackable, non-hand winding, so you definitely need to wear it every day or put it in a watch winder. And I highly recommend the Wolves, and there's great prices on them on eBay. But guys, give me a minute and I'll get it on the wrist in the sunshine and show it to you. So here we go, guys. I'll do a nice slow wrist roll for you guys. Oh boy, I think it looks great. I have a 7.5 inch wrist. The bracelet makes it look a little bit wider to match my wrist. It definitely It's impressive looking. The gold, I really do like the gold color. Look at those solid links. I love solid links versus rolled links. I think they did a fantastic job on this watch. It does have a unique five link bracelet instead of the President on the Rolex President has a 3-link bracelet. But it really pops in the sunlight. I'm really glad the sun came out so I could show this to you guys. The only last things I had to tell you about it were silly stuff like 21,600 beats per hour, 40-hour power reserve, 100-meter water resistance, which we already talked about, sapphire crystal, and the 10 crystals on the face are not diamonds. Those are crystals. Those little tiny crystals. So, and this, like I said, this is the second generation of the Orient day date. The first gen had normal batons for the hour markers, not crystals, which were definitely preferred by a lot of people. I'd go either way. I would like the batons a lot too. So, but let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Leave a comment, give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate you guys watching my videos. And stay safe. All right. Bye-bye.